Hey guys, what's up? So I just wanted to pop in super quick and just update you guys. So first of all, happy fall. I know it's been a few weeks since I've done a video and it's fall and I cannot believe it. I'm so excited. It's my favorite season. So happy fall, guys. So second, I wanted to update you guys and see what other comments you guys could help us with. So my husband got a new job, which we are very, very stoked about, and he starts next Wednesday. The only sad thing about all this is we are going to lose our amazing insurance. Right now, we have insurance through Cigna, and I've been a diabetic for 5-ish years now, 4 or 5 years, and I have went from injections to a pump. I love it. I also have a video about the Omnipod. If y'all have any questions, you can go watch those videos. I have Dexcom, and I've had Dexcom for going on a year. Highly recommend Dexcom as well, and Cigna has just been amazing, helping pay for, feels like, everything. So whenever you get Dexcom, you do have to pay the deductible. So when my husband and I signed up for this insurance that he currently has through his old job, it was Cigna, and our deductible was $1,000 for a family, so $500 each. So whenever you get Dexcom, the first time you do have to pay your deductible. So I got Dexcom in January, so I had my deductible all paid, and then probably by the end of January, insurance was covering 90% of everything, which is just like, to a diabetic, let me tell you. So we were really just blessed with that insurance. We've had Aetna before, and when we had Aetna, I didn't have Dexcom, or I didn't have that pump, so I don't really have much to compare it to, besides just getting insulin and getting the insulin needles, and then just the insulin pens. Now I'm getting vials, and like I said, insurance is paying not 35. My payment is 35, but they are paying 90% of everything, which is super awesome. Another cool thing about Cigna is I did do a video a while ago. It was back, I want to say it was probably back in January or February, about a colonoscopy that I had to have. And something really wonderful about Cigna is that they paid 100% and we didn't have to pay anything. So we have just been really, really blessed with Cigna. Another thing is if you're a diabetic, you don't have to, but depending on which insurance you have, we use my medical insurance for when I get like eye exams and stuff like that. So I don't have to pay anything on that as well, which is super awesome. Where like this last time we had an eye doctor's appointment and my husband unfortunately had to get glasses. So we had to pay for his, but luckily mine was covered because I'm a diabetic. So I told my doctor, I was like, I knew it'd come in handy one day whenever, which isn't a terrible thing to joke about, but whenever, because it paid for all of my eye stuff instead of us having to pay out of pocket. But anyways, I was wondering, so we are going to my husband's insurance at his new job, which is Blue Cross Blue Shield. I am not familiar with Blue Cross as much as I feel like I should be. Just because we've had Cigna for so long, I'm actually really worried. And the fact that it's in October and we'll be switching insurance kind of towards the end of the year is kind of really sucky. But I did get Dexcom for 3 months supply. I did order it before our insurance went out, so I'll be good till like January. As far as Omnipod, I don't know what we're gonna do. Because I don't want to pay the deductible like right before the end of the year. So to be determined on that. But Blue Cross Blue Shield. So I'm really just curious, is it good coverage? Like if you're a diabetic, I have no idea. I didn't know how Cigna was going to be, but Cigna has just been amazing. Like I can't even say how great Cigna has been. Like in my last video, I believe I told you guys my pump was 90% covered. They actually paid more. And our bill was a lot less, which is amazing. I just got the bill yesterday, so we were like, what? Like, we were so happy that it was so much cheaper. But if you guys have Blue Cross Blue Shield, let me know. Or we are looking into other insurances that would be good. Like, do I just need to get my separate plan through Cigna? I'm just so sad to see Cigna go that it's kind of hurting my heart a little bit. Even my husband was like, I'm so sad about this. And at the insurance that my husband's new job is going to offer, the deductible is quite high, and it kind of makes me a little nervous. So I know whenever we pay that deductible one fee, we should be covered pretty good. At least that's how we were with Cigna. But with Cigna, our deductible was only $500, where this one's a little bit steeper. So please let me know in the comments below if you have Blue Cross, if it's covers great with a diabetic. Let me know. If it is not the best coverage, let me know, or what insurance you have that is the best coverage for a diabetic. As diabetics, you know, you go to the doctor a lot. So, I mean, it's going to happen, and you have to get insulin. And I did see one of the things that they have like a prescription drug coverage or something like that, that for diabetics, it could be like 100% covered for at least the prescription, like insulin. But I have no idea. Like, me and my husband last night stayed up till like 11 o'clock trying to figure all this stuff out because we have no idea what we're trying to get ourselves into. So if you could let me know in the comments, I know I've said this like 5 times, let me know in the comments if you have Blue Cross, and let me know if it's good. If you have a different insurance that you're like on, like you don't get through your husband's work or your work, let me know, because we're going through so many options in our head, and he has to sign up next Wednesday. So we are covered through Cigna through the end of October. And then his insurance will cover, like, start the first day that he starts, which is next Wednesday. So we should be covered no matter what. But I just want to make sure the coverage will be good. Like I said, let me know. Let me know what the best insurance you think for a diabetic is. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments, as well as suggestions for insurance. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Bye, guys.